Having a 5-star average on Google is not about being perfect. It's about doing the right thing, even if you've made a mistake. And through the years, when we've worked with customers, we've had many situations where we just went out and knocked it out of the park and did a great job. And they said, "Oh, you're great. You did a really great job." But we've also had a couple of situations where everything didn't go perfect, but we went out of our way to go back and make things perfect. And when you do that, people know that you care.
Anything that we do is going to achieve 5 stars, whether it's putting our booties on before we come into your beautiful home to ensure that we do not track anything throughout your house, putting drop cloths down to ensure that we keep everything the way that it was before we came. You can expect full transparency. We are going to make sure that you're aware of it and that you are happy with it.
Words of wisdom that I always tell my technicians is, we want to be the company you can send to your grandma's house. At Buehler Air Conditioning, we're all about customer satisfaction. So just remember, stay cooler with Buehler.